Hi folks, it's Peter here at Forefront Motorhomes and welcome to another walk around video. This one is of our 2018 Benimar Mileo 282. It comes in at a length of 7 metres and 39 centimetres, a width of 2 metres and 30 and a height of 289, obviously not including any rooftop attachments. It's on a Fiat Ducato with the 150 brake horsepower multi-jet engine, and it's 4 berth and 4 travelling seats. At the rear we have a roof access and a rear storage access. You'll be able to see that from the side door, which we open in a second. And there is the side door. No warning on this particular model, but there is space to fit one if you should so desire. And there is an outside barbecue point just there. So, pause the video here, and I'm going to open up the rear access so we can have a look in there. So there's the rear storage, and as you can see, opens up for ease of access from both sides. So let's pause the video again and we'll go inside. So, as you can see, blackout screen on the door, and we have the fly screen across the main habitation door. So on entering the motorhome, to the left we have the driver's cab, where we see it is an automatic vehicle on the Fiat Comfortmatic gearbox, with cab air conditioning and cruise control. We also have the Remis blind system on all of the cab windows, and above the cab we have a nice big skylight with blackout and fly screen, and it is an opening screen to let the air through. Nice storage in the lounge area, the front lounge area I should say, because this is a double lounge motorhome. Have the 2 passenger seats, a table and the side seat. Just pause the video here and rearrange the lounge for you to see. So there we have the front lounge area set up for dinner, with some nice downlighters on the drop down bed, which we'll look at in more detail shortly. Looking towards the rear of the van, we've got some nice LED touches along the walls as we go down, and we enter the kitchen with a good sized sink with draining board, 2 gas burners and an electric hob on the cooker, and a reasonable sized combination oven grill underneath. There is an extractor fan above, and if we open this cupboard we can see the solar controller and the Truma iNet box just there. So this vehicle does have Truma heating, so this vehicle does have the Truma gas and electric heating, and it is iNet ready, so it can be controlled from a mobile device. Further back in the kitchen we have a microwave and a good size, tall, separate freezer. and large fridge. Opposite the kitchen we have the toilet with basin and a good size separate shower unit. And finally we come to the rear L-shaped lounge, which is an ideal place to sit and relax. Two good sized wardrobes. At the back is where we find a second table for the lounge area. Lovely big windows there and loads of lighting, and shelves for storing your clothes. More handy storage. With a larder type pull-out drawer. And we're going to pause the video again and drop the two main beds down so you can see what they're all about. So this is the front electrically operated double bed. It does have a small cutout around the bathroom, but it is big enough for two adults. It has a maximum capacity of 230 kilograms. And to the rear, another large drop down bed, again with a cutout, and again at 230 kilos maximum capacity. Both beds have the safety nets either side to make sure little people don't fall out of bed. So I'm going to pause again, put these back, and we'll have another look around. So I'll just show you quickly how we operate this bed. Put the key in and turn it, and up she goes into the ceiling. The rear bed is a little easier. Take the ladder off, store it on top of the bed, and then just have a simple switch. And the bed goes away. So if you're storing the vehicle and not using it, it is a really good idea to give a good space above the mattress to allow air circulation to prevent condensation build-up. And you do have to be very level with these vehicles for these beds to operate safely. So two little tips for you there. So a really nice luxury 4 berth, 4 travelling seats, automatic gearbox motorhome. So as with all our vehicles, full details can be found at our website, which is forefrontmotorhomes.co.uk, or please call the showroom on 0144 44 61 667 and speak to one of the sales team. They'll be happy to help. Thanks very much for watching and hope to see you in the next one. Bye.